how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Well, I'm on another little Trev and Teddy photography trip, and back down at Blanford. I've done a few videos around this area in the past. Just having a little stroll really, and it's a lovely sunny day, and got a lovely wild flower meadow just behind me. You've got the river this side. It's a lovely river, the River Stour. We used to live in a place called Marlow, and that's on the Thames. Well, it's a lovely spot, but the river was more like a motorway for boats really. Just boats constantly going up and down. Whereas here it's just very natural, very quiet. I've just sat there having my lunch, no word of a lie, just been watching a kingfisher going up and down. So that's pretty good. I've been here before and sat here before, and there was an otter splashed and played around over there. So there's quite a few otters around here in the Stour. I can't vouch for the whole of the river, but certainly around Blanford area there's a lot of otters. I remember once I was just the other side of the bridge, walking along the path, and I saw a group of photographers there. And because I goes on, morning, how you doing? And then so this splash, and they're obviously waiting for the shot of this otter. As I comes along and startled it, and off it swam. I don't think they were best pleased, but there you go. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to photograph. I was going to photograph under the bridge there just now. There's a couple of guys inspecting the bridge, so I might pop along there a little bit later on the way back. See if they're still there. If they are, I might still take the photo anyhow, but didn't want to kind of interrupt them. So yeah, no real plans, just a kind of gentle stroll. Got Teddy with me today, he's having a good time, and just see what comes about. So it's very bright today, it's not ideal, but it don't matter, I'm outside, away from it all. So yeah, I'll leave it there for a minute and finish my coffee and then see what we can find. Okay, well I'm going to wrap the video up now, and yeah, I had a really nice time, really good. Got a couple of photos of under the bridge, and then I got some photos of the old railway bridge, so that's pretty good. And yeah, it's been really nice. Again, just out in the fresh air, whiling away the day, if you like. Got to head back now. Back on the clock, time's up and all that. So anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, that'd be great. And if you like it, give me a good old thumbs up, and yeah, so catch you on the next one, whatever that will be. And all I need to say is thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourself, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.